Hello everyone, this is Akang Suman here. Now we are going to discuss head pump, which is basically an inversion of the single slider crank mechanisms. Okay. So this is when you fix the slider, you will get the head pump. Inversions means what? When you fix the different links, you will get the different mechanisms. That is basically the inversion. Okay. So when you fix the slider, you will get head pump. Okay. Everyone sees head pump. You can see here when you push, or you can say when you pull up, when you raise this hand, what will happen? This valve open. This is check valve. You can see here, this is basically check valve. You must understand, most of the students don't know when the valve is going to be open and when it is closed. So I am just going to tell you that when you raise this hand, when you raise this force rod, the valve is going to be open and water is coming. Water is coming inside the cylinder and all the cylinder is filled up as you reach at the top position. For example, you get this is the final position. Okay, this is the last position of the force rod. Okay, so from this to this, from this to this, the water will going to enter into the cylinder. As you reach the top position, this valve close, check valve close. Okay, now when you push, when you start to push again, the force which is already filled inside the cylinder in the previous process is going to be taken out as a water outlet. Okay, but this will happen when you push the force rod again. So when you raise the rod, this valve becomes open and the water enters into the cylinder. Okay, until you reaches the final position. As you reaches the final position, all the cylinder will be filled with water, and now when you are going to push this rod, this force rod, the water is going to be taken out from the water outlet. Okay, so basically this is the procedure of the head pump. Now in the head pump you must have to fix a slider, because when you fix the slider, this will becomes mechanisms that is generally known as the head pump. Okay, so in the examinations point of view, you must have to remember this. We have to fix a slider in order to get the head pump. Okay, so this is what the head pump mechanism